Hi, good day everyone. Today I want to share this Autogate remote. If you wish to change the battery, you will realize the battery is smaller. The new battery is 27A, but the original is 23A. But it's okay, still can use. You remove the old battery. If you just put the battery like this, yes, you can use, but not stable, you see. What you can do, you can go to the bookstore, you buy this at the gum. If you wish to use double-sided, can, but put double-sided in the future in order to remove. It's a bit hard to remove. But you use this kind of look like the gum, look like the glue actually. It won't shake now. You see, no shake the battery. When you press the button, yes, it's function. You can see the light here. It's very stable. Next time you want to remove, it's actually very easy. You see, you just remove like this. It's very clean. It won't spoil the cover at all. Next time you got this kind of battery, and you just put back to the same place. Yes, this is what I want to share. Thank you.